Okay, so here's a tricky little shot. I'm actually on a severe downslope, hits into a little gully and then back up, and I'm totally short-sighted. One thing we have to realize when we're playing this shot is that even though I've got my most lofted club, my 58 here, because I'm tilted, this club's going to come out, or the ball's going to come out probably closer to like a 9 iron. So I have to stop thinking that this is a 58 and now consider it being a 9 iron. So from that there, I'm thinking, where would I land a 9 iron if I was hitting it onto the screen? And I think I'd probably land it somewhere around the shadows. So I'm going to set up. First all I'm going to do is to make sure I find my low point. So I'm going to make a couple of swings. I'm going to get my stance right beside the ball. That feels pretty good there. I've hit, kind of right on the ball, right where I want to hit it. I'm going to step up, pick my landing spot, and go.